Erectile dysfunction due to overmasturbation. Excessive hand practice is a significant cause of many disorders that deteriorate males' virility and harm physical and mental health. The problem of ED is a typical result of excessive hand practice. It can get triggered by physical and psychological causes or a combination of both inflicted by frequent hand practice. The side effects of excessive hand practice can be controlled if a male somehow can quit the habit. One should choose natural ways to treat the problem of ED due to excessive hand practice. Natural remedies. Natural supplements have come up so that males without knowledge of herbs can use these to gain optimum results quickly. For males suffering from weak erections due to overhand practice, treatment with Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil is the best. To discreetly get these herbal remedies at home, watch this video until the end. Tufan capsules are for oral consumption, whereas King Cobra oil is for external application to be massaged gently over the manhood. Regularly using these supplements benefits herbs and herbal oils to recover from ED. The herbal ingredients of these supplements improve testosterone levels and increase energy circulation in the male reproductive system. The increased blood supply in the male genital region strengthens tissues and nerves. To reverse numbness and weakness caused by hand practice. Higher nutrient supplementation and faster metabolism improve overall energy and stamina. And better hormone release and healthy chemicals in the brain curb psychological problems efficiently. These remedies bring holistic improvement in the condition of a male and cure weak erections due to overhand practice for the long term. Herbs are helpful. Natural treatment is very safe and effective for reversing the harmful effects of hand practice in men. Research and studies have shown that ashwagandha, safed muesli, shilajit, and conch beej are highly beneficial herbs for treating poor potency and low vitality in males. These herbs have healing and rejuvenating properties to reverse the physical damage caused by excessive hand practice. Improved testosterone levels, higher nutritional support, and a robust nervous system are other benefits of these herbs which a male needs to recover fast. Excessive hand practice majorly damages manhood. It makes it numb and weak and also restricts the blood supply. Herbs and herbal oils are recommended for fast treatment of numbness and weakness in organs. To help a male recover quickly from erectile dysfunction due to overmasturbation, topical application of herbal oil is recommended. The healing process by natural herbs is fast. Unless a male's emotional and mental health improves, getting complete riddance from ED is impossible. Males with emotional weaknesses and psychological issues can again fall into the habit of hand practice and face even more severe symptoms. Herbs possess the power to improve the emotional and psychological health of a male. Ashwagandha is renowned as a hormone balancer. Shilajit is regarded as excellent for sound mental health. Other herbs like Vidarikand and Ramyafal are potent purgatory herbs. These herbs help a male to gain stable mental health and much relief from psychological disorders. Conclusion. Excessive hand practice is terrible and very debilitating. The side effects of excessive self-gratification shall not be ignored. Even if a male has stopped taking supportive self-pleasing activities, the weaknesses may not go away quickly. Abstinence from self-gratification and using Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil ensure complete recovery naturally. These natural supplements do not pose any risk of over-treatment and also do not cause any dependency. World's finest herbal ED remedies.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.